Good morning.
Good morning, Rich.
Na bibia boko de.
Oh, nyame adom. Bibia e fine pa.
De nyame akwaba.
Mejo so.
Before you be di enkomo no kra no. Trip net saying.
Right words Ben and meet me they describe it. I think that na a very very interesting but not a brave woman because I quite know what. They met me I can't. Say it was an interesting trip but not bread because I quite know what. 11 hours now to play mu 7 hours now to Mekai right after Ghana and South Korea yampon game no kra because of time I was me check in say me try me yampon game now ya me miss my flight
oh do one game na you
man sha me yampon me kasa me sha me yampon me miss flight no because from the World Cup Stadium to airport will be around 40 minutes. My flight a local time 12:05 midnight. You starting game on 8. Until you pon game on 10. This all time you pon game on 10. With a little traffic around the stadium, you know, it means I want have maybe 1 hour to get to the airport. And it's only 1 hour I could do airport where means we don't have 11. Flight near 12.
That's okay.
We connect your close check-in. So I go fast. Now from South Korea with Qatar Airways to Qatar 11 hours. 11 hours. Obi a we pay from a Riano, Marco Hyundai Mall, the Aqua Stadium. Unji wa home baby straight to airport. We are going to play 11 hours
to Qatar.
Udu Doha. O connecting flight from Doha to Accra. 7 hours. Now before time when the best no you have to spend 4 hours at Doha airport. Until 11 hours, 4 hours now to airport. Now I start to play 7 hours and sana waba. Until from that time in the
22 hours in the day.
Only nam if it was very very interesting but a brave room. The journey was very very interesting.
I say you common no so you obi very very observant. Black Stars uno mu two kwan. Boy yen komo Black Stars team with the two friendly games are your boy and then now yeah, especially going to the World Cup no then yeah be yeah some comedy na no boy na indi
okay Rich, if you've spent years na say bibia unsaid any facts about it Utsina radio so na oma the benefit of the doubter. You've done a very very good job. The ambassador for near her 40 years and say over the years say utie o favorite sports presenter o favorite sports show na say omu di nkomo about bibia was sports mu na ade a onim for a fact onim say ade we dey mean say na tie na oka say onim for a fact ninti or ma the benefit of doubt e wo so minimum nti no mususu say bia the omo ye no sa time no ni papa mu a Rich, that person has done a very very good job because when you get close to situations Rich, different from when you are far from it. The culture of the Blasters, routine, the details of enyoma omoye before, after games, in between games, the subculture of the team will go through for us to only see 90 minutes on the pitch, you know, Rich and Yasam Katwa.
I've been saying,
Rich, sir, what's now Blasters camp 24 hours?
Nhyira
A mobile 12 hours, technical, tactical meetings and go on.
tactics.
Inti, you will see the technical team meeting. Meetings with a lot of video analysis, data. Wait, sir. Because bare 4 hours. Then they will ask the team manager to call the players. No, so no ma say what they won't call. You know a projector light, a boom now, so they change colors. Everybody is concentrated. Then from those tactical sections, you know, the only thing the team does is say omubedidi, no omasako yet the omasuya no mako or park and so. That is the life of the team.
So and some na yenum bi say I am bent me 30 so Black Star players no mo camper grow mun shada kra entro mun ye training ko bo mun sem ko bo samamuna no mako dina park so ko bo no. That's not and yes sanity.
Oh, David. Okay.
You see him control mu kra ye omo de ma back camp dien.
Okay. You say every generation probably may have the stories.
Okay.
And a coach so any the kind of ne culture best create around the team. Rich, remember one example be. One day be I was the Mayfield Hotel. Mayfield Hotel where Blasters Hotel and them South Korea. Na Rich hotel was so na baby a hotel no dining hall ne wo no e wo akire enti normally no Blasters omo aduane routine yes say the players will come and eat first. Yes, every buffet ni we players in the baby did first with the technical team. Time our players you know no other person from any department apart from say okay team no into players be a media or Henry Mo omo me team no epe omo maka bi odi echi your management committee member you have to wait now under otuado yemfa phone emba baby edidi even though wife I had more hotel hono you disable any the channel of monitor abebo and say one crowd who use your phone and your player no so there's no restrictions on you say untimi use your phone ewo ho phone every be edidi o internet mba.
I see.
Agini nyina say player bi mpo aya so den na so kasa on the phone ebeba ho a which you don't even have internet to interact on your phone. Na
Ana omo say camera na omo dey foul ntimi movie enti tina mfimfini.
Mem tell mfimfini mo.
Mfimfini mo na.
Okay.
Omo ntimi en capture o camera. Okay. On tina say mum. Okay. All right. Say okay, Umbra say kakra. Okay.
Okay.
You see them me akra me hu
na Rich, something happened.
All dining hall.
No. Na Blasters team no players na didi awie ko. And me Mr. Alex Asante, Deputy General Secretary of the FA, Prosper Harris, General Secretary, and some few others be. It's 1 year bon kobo. Now Mr. Asante could turn the phone. Or no, say because of no handle the operations of the Blasters. Into the be at a Kobe Obedu beer on what talk local sim. Because also nya course nesano man. Rich yet one Otto walk to Mr. Asante. I no catch Mr. Asante say no query your enemy. Phone now we use what dining on bed. Yes.
Asante.
Yes.
protocol officer coach catch and say phone you know
like ebum emraso even though players ni ho but obi betimi stay late ebi obi ha edwane odi no it will take a lot of time say yes man never phone number ha na ohun say wo ye panyin wo the phone about ha na o ye
bad example
exactly sometimes no players ni ho omu ni omuko but Otto wanted to maintain say this area you know
and no go area
yeah phone number
I know a very straight
whether Otto whether we
very straight.
And when he said it, Mr. Asante said, yes, woman a dibim. Na oji correspondent was, you know. So oji correspondent and go back with you any other part of the hotel. But not maybe I did, you know. Rich.
Or the reason is saying, ain't no ma players in them phone number.
I say, who say Obia on the room. The only time a players in the best during the tactical and technical sessions and a training. A home pono say tactical sessions now. Obiati sit so all concentrating on the board no. And he extra here.
That I'm born in injury.
You go training now.
Yeah.
Obiati the training case. And jina pass my way. You say there be free kick. You be say we me free chaba. The concentration is about the training. The only time you can say, "Hey, madam, for that day and so I only be doing como, hey, dining honor." And they don't want you to also come there. Na utisi ufumu, mun kasa, mun como no. And for bonding sake, that is the only time you can say hi. And then I so abra boom. On no be beti ba share 1 or 2 and como bi obi bibi ho bi obeka chirawo. Bibi or no best then referee na assembly. So for bonding purposes, there is no phones, no gadgets allowed. Oh baby a blasters no omudidi. Which is very, 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 very good for the observations I'm here. Now, number 2. Rich, it is the highest level of footballer. Emma would see what professional football is all about. Rich players no more bro. Their life is all about playing football. Preparing for the next match. Omu she dey ni entumba omunya holidays because Rich, you sleep enye dey open awudi. Because you too kwan say buffet ni siwa. There are some foods yakata so. Ye na ekwa ebetimi edi. Obetimi nya kenkebi na wodu shito. But players in the bar, they are limited to a certain section of the buffet. Salad kakra. And namno kra na ye twitwa ho bi. Ke say aduane a sebi. Unya pa anya na obedi. Uwo freedom pass e wo be so wodidi a. Rich, that is not the food you eat. But you see na wodi a omuye ha. And then I would prepare your body no for a Jumana or fat on say I was our yellow. Into nutrition, very, very key part. And you be an abetimianum. And you be an abetimianum. Yanum be. But the players, which apart from insure, any other thing be must pass through the doctors and some point one. And the life of a professional footballer, which it's not, and that is why they earn the money that they earn, and that is why so many opportunity say or mobile geomania they do it the way they do it, because majority of their playing life are too restricted, and no more be and a chicha unweshia Emma untimi. And you're so flexible with the way I was super so brano. Even including meeting family, friends, and the other. Your time I was all that. Time I was all bus section. Time I was all co-training. You don't even have the laxity to meet people and say, oh, madam, for phobia, but me no more could come. You don't have that. You don't. And see, a starving. A very, very engaging. From Japan to South Korea. Media me no money what team hotel bibia mani tiam no it changed my perception. Then omo ye adwuma apart from players no omo eye media guys, you know, communications and rich enye better Ghana ultra photographs no your friend will say or you Kumasi guy say nyame adom ye nim ye nya panyi Isamadu do kids rich say ka say team no be go training 4:30 as early as 3:30 Isamadu must started preparing and no more dey ko
as you say o munya wi
enti
Adentina kids manager yakọ first car we
and you dare not leave Bibi behind because you corner say you just Bibi or then training no also for Bibia including say also at the professional level rich so Osha Blaster speeches never Montina you know they have attack for every training section and no be ashe enti say players in the best red it means that technical team probably will wear ash. It means that other people no probably will wear yellow. Sano money the kids manager you must make sure say obedient conflict will be and obia they available. Say baby a quick training no and I say kobo match no say awo and weather no and the inform you and you may also offer weather also offer jackets ka ho adwuma and you carry them alone. When they saw the players, no.
This is not doing one of the money now.
Your kids managers too.
Okay.
Omuano carry bibia.
They make sure say bibia on board.
Yes. And by the time you be able to know, now all packet no one. All packet drinks, insure bibia. Omo digital vest na. Check you American nina. You have to make sure and then home machines nina. You could do training grounds on a coach say you must make it available. Ultimately, you can't go wrong. Set team AC from hotel work training. Team manager Aminu lobby with an iPad. I say headmaster or market register. Into Uchembiano atiki. Uchembiano atiki. By the time no best sorry say Okurabas no. He should make sure what ticket every player be or camp be making sure so be easy for Mako. Every bass in him. And son of no one saw the final one. So all tax ama players accreditation. Say the be meeting Nhyira baby also meeting Nhyira. Rich adwumanedi. Ebia for years on. You were a certain mentality about the way you majuma. Ebia de mimicking a conflicted yes. Wajina war about what goes on with Timno. The Americans is here. Ebia and all of a sudden they may change your perception about the blasters. But Rich, and your blasters example, I saw the same thing with the Japan team. I saw the same thing with the South Korea. And the same with Spain, Brazil, Obia. That is the culture of the national team. And an organized environment. And you need to have a certain level of competence to get there. Can you imagine? Henry Asantuchum, the correspondent, only with Japan, Korea for media team, no, including say, make I do Korea. Second day, me wano omeka che Henry say ye did you know, and one person from the Korean FA. Eba no say Henry, I've been looking for you. No say oh, and then ekoso delegation now. Mo di ama yen say omo ni en correspond no. Rich, omo say for TV broadcast purposes no. Ghana a place na di aba no. Omo pe say Henry etro obi din na o transcribe din no. Within the sounds. Say na be ya so on Korea ni no. Say oka Brendan Asantia. Ebia Brendan ni de eye bofudin.
Obetimi abo.
But Asante no, you pronounce it the same. It's obviously o transcribe it. Edema in phonetics. Say na be obodi na obetimi anya sounds no right. Henry must do it for all the players and present it to Omo media team, you know, before on a commentary. Rich, it is not easy.
Tedious job.
And yet easy. And see, you may have your own perception, but
you get you closer to them.
Now, there's another observation.
Okay, no problem.
You see, Rich, it seems World Cup na yekono. Otto, any the technical team no, to approach any structure on best the matches. Two. Enti Sebetron for Nhyira mo anya very very well. The last 2 games a boy in the qualifiers, Mali, Comoros. The approach I did about those 2 games, you know, the same way any about Japan, South Korea. First one. Blasters with 2 formations, mainly under autonomy technical team. No. First one, no, a 3 back, no, 3-4-3. Now in the 3-4-3, no, Rich, this is how Otomo we want the Blasters to play. And the 3-4-3 a quiet fast so you ball Mali. Any quiet fast so you ball Japan. Now in profiling the 3-4-3 no, you could clearly see say upper 1 goalkeeper, 3 center backs. 3 center backs now open no. Upper backward or right footed. Upper backward ojina fifia onim game ni widi na otimi organize. And upper a left footed center back. Intimi goalkeeper, right footed center back. Organizer and a very very good reader. Then a left footed center back. Then the 2 wing backs, right wing back, left wing back. Wing backs. Then 2 central midfielders, the 6 and 8. Remember my profile, no? Then any more 3. 3 no. Open omomuya forwards. But 2 are omutimi operate and I said 3 ni can operate baby hour anymore. Into Rich. Sa uka sa profile here. That Blasters were obiya available no. As I said, the boy against Mali no. Ube who be to say Benjamin Asare, Impembre, Jonas Ajeti, Jiku, Salisu. Ye 3 back no. Inti Jonas Ajeti right. Jiku Mfifi, Sariki our left hand side because we are left footed. Then you 2 wing backs, you know. In Pempe, Gideon Mensah, left wing back. Kalibrienchi, right wing back. In Pempe, you 2 central midfielders, you know. Kwesi Zibo, Thomas Partey. Then any water, you know. On the right hand side, Kudus. On the left hand side, Semenyo. Then in the attack, Jordan. Minim se baby more players no. Among an idea how the Blasters look like in their 3 back positions, you know. 3 forwards led by Jordan. 2 forwards are operating from the wings
and can change positions.
Yes, and can rotate with Jordan anytime they are anymore. And Kudus comes in, Semenyo comes in like this. Then you know wing backs. I think say Rich in playing Blasters a whole part of the problem in the war.
This structure no.
Wing backs no. There are a lot of like positions no for players to still grab it. Sincerely, I can say nobody can say on the year the selected wing back. Even boy I'm sure Alexander Kuhn, a boy against Japan. Rich, say a boy in a 3 backer. And she ya and me Obetu Gideon Mensah as a left wing back. And she will be to know. At the right wing back, no. Who's go for a Calabian Chino and Mefoda? Ali be said, who's Praba and Che. Dennis Odo me now or almost plenty na say from which that position is still vacant. Obi aneli Oben finfina say Pate ni fe no konanim and or manage ne nan no enti Pate is being kept for matches ehu hia pa which say uyi Pate efi ho say a dio odi Pate bebo no between Kosizibo Suleiman na obo Atlanta no Calibrianchi outimibo asinfifi no Rich, the position is still there for Obia. I'm telling you.
Obiantoy.
No. It is all party who in three back no and 15 you know by a constancy here. Penny many as observation no. And their back three no. Rich, how did you see the prepare guy? Ghana boy in a French league and Onyani debut. Solid. Solid. Say Jerome Opoku so bad. On say left-footed. Or so height. He is going to give Sarki a lot of competition. I think say in Pempeng. Say Obiaya fit with team which in Siaba Trebak na the only two players are meeting Yakasa them you observe here. Otomo very good assurance Jiku and Jonah Ajetino. Jakano, they are left-footed, no. They will fight for it. And even with Jiku and Jonah Ajetino, Rich, Abantia prepare Abekanwa, all more competition. Rich, I am tempted to believe Benjamin Asari will be our number one goalkeeper for the World Cup.
There will be a foreign goalkeeper.
The enemy observing the Munisa. Many Benjamin Asari drew Japan the same time. Minina ne free Narita Eko Nagoya is free the same van. He was late for the first game. I thought he would be late for the whole friendlies, no. But in the second game, Mamen can't show. I didn't even see it. Japan was Libra with weather. No weather near. I want to then giddy. Rich, but you do South Korea. Even the first day was okay. The second day, we are starting with 0, -2, -3. Rich, there were some people at the camp. Now, I'm more concerned. We say, I want to be beating Benjamin Asare. And they were tempted to even tell Otto say, why not you say the Korean game no or the Benjamin Asare bedemwa on sha wona ebia because we are if you gina ho air to wona na bo bi ba. Otto say no. One man coming to the one more first game, no. But these are international platforms.
That's what the man.
Benjamin have been playing AFCON qualifiers anyway. There is high standard football. It is all prepared for the World Cup. He must be. And which you know boy some after the South Korea game. For him, he gave a very good and the more doubt say Abranten were limitations. And that area on to mean that high profile matches, no. Rich and then side out to not be packed. Go no koda against South Korea. No. I won't be able to say, see about Brazil, Yebo Spain, Benjamin Asai can keep the post memoir. In cold weather, in hot weather, Obetimiada. It's Rich, there is one approach. The next approach I want to use your red gates, to represent is not men from us on the first question I will be Samino. Second one, they just papa. The next one from the 3-4-3, no, the 4-2-3-1. 4 back. 2 central midfielders. 1 number 10 behind the striker. Then 2 wingers. Which, Siako 4 back now. Again, you put Benjamin Asai in post. Siabo in the 4 back now, Rich. Eyakwa say Gideon Mensah is the trusted number 3. That one I can tell you. Siesako 4 back now. Sally said he's the trusted number 2. Because who said 4 back in the it seems that we need to be very good defensively. But be more assurance about on defending. And see, Gideon Mensah Ali said, from my observation, nailed those spots for me. Of course, Jiku will play. Yeah. Who Jiku partners is going to be a decision the Black Stars team must make. Because medical catcher say in the three back, there's some level of trust for Jonas Ajete. Which any one say Jonas Ajete bet near to Salisu in the 4 back. No Jiku but 4 and 5. I would never be surprised about that. Even player be say Jerome Pukumo can pair Jiku simply in the 4 and 5 no until the only player who constant
Salisu a prana
praka ho
okay because an answer pretty proud do
and then says when you bibo Monaco into or Biodeba. There's one other thing which I can't say it on radio.
What you say?
And then ama Sariki shaky ekaka emameno, but the bigger one are a legit argument, a competition. There are guys who are showing competitive attitude. So Sariki and Shea on meeting near to now rich in South Tuna. Elbow in the 4-2-3-1 again. Thomas Partey seems to have the number 8 spot, and instead of here for the 3 back now. CCI it seems to be Zibo, but it can be Kalibirienchi, it can be Francis Abu, it can be Sulemana. Obi a bit probably 6 no. Yeah, can walk up no. Now the 3 players behind the striker, which see above 4-2-3-1 nkuwa there. It seems that number 10 Kudus there. So our position behind the striker no, is meant for Kudus. The left hand side is meant for Antoine Semenyo. So Obia fit CCA and a CA work up. Rich, the right hand side will go for Fatah Isahaku. Unless say Ebia and the Sunia Mamo, any Enakimo and as Obia Bibi, I just say our form cheese Haku today. And Ebi obetimi Eram, then Jordan will lead the alliance at the Maye. Into Anya Shekwano, there is Jordan as a striker, Kudus behind him, Antoine Semenyo on the left, there is Partey in the midfield, there is Gideon Mensah, Alidu Sedu, Jiku, Benjamin Asari. Into Umenya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of the 11 players. Like from your observation, you know, say, and me, I can see about. Work up now about 4-2-3-1. These players will make the squad. And these are the 2 structures. The minimum will be your formation. And either based on the opposition, you're in the 3 back number cheche and I say you're in the 4 back number cheche. These are my little observations. Am I team
again? Ghanaians in social game almost observation now. You say you fear, and it's especially a game against Japan. As an sideways in the door, be a jabba, cross sideways, and now Obekonechi. Yeni Japan as an direct kaka, as a J born. I want to Yeni Koreano, near transit in here. What was the problem?
Good. Thank you, Pa. So now you see why I raise issues about say Kwesizibo must improve on the transitions and sana or dawada say number 6 in Black Stars no bobo again you get to say especially in the game against Japan so where na brain transition omo press ya na bobo no kwachi yentimi nya kodu ntene obi ajutu say Partey omu a Partey a specialist ho amfa ho ni America de ba or the skill and the technique to turn with the control. No, I'm not queen. But without him, naturally, I will say no more says to me, that is where the Zibo problem the battle. Second about defensively, aggression, personality, the height, and in the BBR, Zibo doesn't have a problem. But one thing I realized from the technical team, I know say any weakness. Either he must improve and I say a combination of the aggression or are you comfortable with passing the ball anywhere. Competition. That is the reason why my analysis now I was keeping asterisk on Zibo. Sir, that is it.
Corner sideways passes no door.
Yes. Bobo Kokon Chen sir. obi pressure kakra bi a na ye break with your transitions no that is the problem.
But I mean what the team nechi no ma akwa band about 2 matches with the 2 matches now boy no Osha Otuado team Ben or Shishadi World Cup no.
Tactically this is the team.
Okay.
Tactically these are the 2 structures I want to say. Senior Bayan opponent be a Beshian will tell us which of them any more. The tougher games, you know, he will prefer the 3-back now. Because Enoma is solid defense consolidation.
Wing backs in the back.
Yes. It is defensively, no. We are solid. Say a game a 50-50. Blasters as it is today, any winnable games our World Cup. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your Blasters level no was saying. You need winnable game. Anything say, oh, match ready. Match a Blasters a bit say. Yeah, between difficult games and games are manageable. You can get something out of the game. So you could some manageable games now. I say 50-50 now. Rich, that is where probably we will prefer playing 4-2-3-1 no. I offer a more direct, am I more midfielders? Am I more players or more offensive areas? Or meeting your boy, am I acquiring? That is the team that Otuado is preparing for the Blasters. Now, Rich, Medeman will see Krano. Obibu say, and it has so be one. Look, there are 2 schools of thoughts. Your uncle from Mienu, Obi Ejina Bibi Ojina, and Obiawo, like they are all kind of cray school of thought. You will be no more. Must say, Ayala, body and one resource. Otobaye, no resource no. And yet, bibi gidi bia. Intermediate auto onyadi mame. Based on number of games awabo, any wins awanya. After kwade, Blasters lose to Japan, lose to South Korea, and it seems like a normal, a mediocrity. There was our school of thought for no while. Almost based on the results and say, Otto is not good enough. Until say, Obesa, no starting winning. No. In Pempe, that is the analysis on Otto and the technical team. No, they are right. Their second school of thought was so. Almost first of all, no, they are more canny and credit. But more appreciate it, say, Otto J Blasters team no, at which level? Na a team there. A team on that from say team. A team on any confidence. The mentality Nhyira. Team on a team no Comoros some more. Yen team no Madagascar more. Yen team like we can't even appear to win a game. That is the level of team at Otunya. And to build that team no to baby a never team no could do. It takes time. I am
okay.
And I am a to Ninka. It is a Kibitinia, Sa and Menone, Abotreno, Ama Ottawa. Yes, the more can you but you about take a castle, and she say, Obetinia Bodi Timana. Rich, Mimi Fifi. I am no credit Otto Chirumutaya results and a bejajano. And I am no credit to say, Obinya a man about transfer. Me patient manner. Obetimi abudi timini diamaye. But the ultimate analysis and say, Rich, we were all happy. Make journalists and the supporters. We were happy when the Senegal won the AFCON. Yeah. And we were happy because they have won it with Aliou Cissé. Me say the ultimate example for Otto, I heard the Senegalese story. Rich, Adi Aliou Cissé Fermu and Sana all building the elite Senegal team to win them the AFCON. It is the same thing Otto Fermu. That's when your results be that but only the difference in the man. Aliou Cissé had the confidence of the Senegalese FA. Okay. Say Obeto form, Obe sorry, Obe fairly, onyade among for the pressure beba yes sano but ye gini say emre any abotre ekwa di nechia he will be able to build a team to be able in the PCMDU. And Rich, it is in our own courts. Okay. Either we will get time and patience for Otto to do the Aliou Cisse story of Senegal, for us to all celebrate because me so say they now Koulibaly elected AFCON trophy no. Rich, Obi Senegal be a film po say or can maybe say na Aliou Cisse nyade. They were happy for him because at the end of the day, it paid off. That is the kind of situation a meaning who blasters in the room. See, when you have a tray, now you better trust me and support it. Otto, so I'm building a team in my area. Which probably after 2 AFCONs, the narrative will change for a blaster.
That's a Bismarck Ayala no.